Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with another entry. This would be entry number 20 here in my 400 SUBBIE challenge giveaway. And this entry comes from the Virgin Islands, and it is from my friend Catherine Benjamin. Here on YouTube, she is the VI crafter. Let me get it straight, but I will have the link to her YouTube channel in my description box below, so you can go check her out. Look at the fun washi she added to the bottom of my packaging. Fun! Green is my favorite color. And look at the green tissue paper. Thank you, girl. Hope you guys are doing good on the island. Hope you're staying safe. Oh, let's see this fun. It is princesses, and look at how fun. I love it. I can use these as ephemera, cut them out. They're like, what's that called? The Valentine's cards. Aw, thank you so much, girl. And then, oh, here's a card. Let's see what she says here. I love this bow. It looks like she did it with a cupcake liner. How cute is that? Okay, let's peel this away. And how do we open this? Oh, it is sealed. Okay. Love. Let's see what her card says. It says hello. And she has a green Care Bear. That's my favorite Care Bear. And the little doggy. And it just says, Maka, wishing you continued success on your channel. Thank you for always sending a blessing my way. Hope you enjoy your goodies. Hugs and blessings, Catherine. VI Crafter KB. Aw, thank you so much, Karen. And I know you live on an island. I know how that is. You know, we don't get the same stuff as in the mainland. But yeah, so I try to share as much as I can. But wow, girl, this is like way more than a Memorydex. Oh my gosh, she sent me a loaded envelope. Look at how beautiful. Oh, she's added this rosette that she's topped with this butterfly. Oh, look at how pretty. Butterflies is like the theme. Everybody loves some butterflies. I feel like I've gotten entries, almost all of them, with butterflies. So cute. And then this this is popped up. It's dimensional. And then this flower that she's added this glittery center to. Wow. And then, oh, look at, oh my gosh, look at this Memorydex. It's beautiful. Let's check this all out. Oh, and she has her little stamp from the heart. How cute that little owl is. So let's see the Memorydex first. But look at, she's added some bag toppers. I love the packaging. I can reuse to re-gift stuff. And just look, this is like a wood piece she used, the castle. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. With the little girl, the little dinosaur. She got some party hats as the castle flags. This is beautiful. What a good job. Thank you so much, Catherine. I love it. It says magic. Oh, this is so pretty. Thank you. Let's see what kind of information she shared with us. And this is the back. It's a little pocket. And like I said, she is Catherine Benjamin. And she is the VI Crafter. It's not the, just VI Crafter KB here on YouTube. She loves all favorite colors. And her favorite candy is Jelly Bellies. And her animals are cats and dogs. And she was born in April. Thank you so much, Catherine, for being a SUBBIE, for entering my challenge, and just the support and love you've given me throughout the time I've known you. Look at how pretty all of this is. Wow. This is like a Parisian theme maybe. But it has like buttons with these resin pieces in them. And then this resin flowers, or their buttons, and butterflies. That is a cute piece. And then she's also gifted me some of these butterflies. Thank you so much. And I think, do they layer? I don't have any layering butterfly dies that I know of. They do layer. Oh, thank you, girl. Thank you so much for cutting these out for me. I appreciate it so much. So you just layer it that way. Oh, so beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much for sharing your die cuts with me. Thank you for sharing these with me, these green enamel dots. I love them and I will use them, or rhinestones, because you know, green is my favorite color. And then she's also sent the stickers, and they're Disney stickers. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And she's also sent me this book, Our Daily Bread, and a blank notebook so I can use that. I appreciate it, Catherine. I hope you guys are all having a crafty day. And if you want to learn more about Catherine, or you like her crafting style, go check her out. Like I said, I'm going to leave her link in my description box below. And until my next video, shakas!